Tá pean luí nua agam aniu. Tám chun úsáid pean luí down. We use a brown pencil for a change today. So, and féidir ling aon rud a eicáil. Is there anything we can see? Go díreach. And féidir ling an puzzle sin a dhéanamh topic. Wonder, can I do this any more quickly than the previous ones? Bhí mé cainte hana faoi na nathanna cainte. These kind of Irish phrases that get handed down. Bhí mé ag smaoineamh faoi cúpla hampli eile. A couple other examples. Ar nós na gaoithe. Nóméid ó hin dúirt mé an féidir lom an puzzle seo a dhéanamh go topic. Cílíonn sé sin, am I able to do this puzzle quickly? Go topic. Well, má deirhin ar nós na gaoithe, if I were to say, can I do it ar nós na gaoithe? I'd be saying, can I do it at the speed of the wind or at the rate of the wind? Can I do it as quickly as the wind blows? Tá ever sé ag dul hús an seo. Cad atá ar iarú sa bhosca sin, tá ever trí ar iarú, tá ever ní ar iarú, agus tá ever seacht. Tá ever ní híos an seo. So chun chailún sin tá mé gur ever ní an seo, agus tá ever seacht ag dul an seo. Yeah, ar nós na gaoithe. At the speed of the wind. Sometimes you might hear me saying ar aon nós, which is kind of the Irish way of saying anyhow, which is really at any rate, ar aon nós, at any speed. So ar aon nós an féidir ling na hifricha a trí a eicáil an puzzle. Bé siad beag aníon níos deachar féidir. Tá ever a trí ar iarú an seo, haon tá trí car. Tá ever seacht ag dul sa chearnóg sin. Haon tá trí car cúig sé. Seacht ocht ní. Dúirt mé go mbeidh mé ag úsáid pean luí down, a pencil that's brown today. And you? Haon tá trí. Agus is mailm pean luí a úsáid mar má dhéanam botún. If I make a mistake, is féidir a thógáil amach. I can take it out more easily. Ibar a cúig ar iarú an sin. Déanaí mé seic beag inis. Haon tá trí car cúig sé. Seacht ocht ní. Haon tá trí car cúig sé. Seacht ocht ní. Nuair úsáid an pean luí le dá difriúil, déanann sé codar snacht leis an puzzle atá tá na hifricha dubh nó dú. Tá trí car cúig nó seacht. Tree. Yeah, and the word dove or do, that's one that features in some of those nathanna cainte or phrases. a lot of those nathanna cainte are comparative. So the way you construct a comparison in Irish is you say cho, adjective, le, noun. So as black as something that you want to compare it to. So for example, to say as black as coal, you say chodú le gúil. As black as coal. It's one uair sin immerla freshen. That's used in English as well. We say as Gaeilge and immerla. Burla is the Irish word for the English language. So we say immerla. We can also say as black as coal, immerla. Three car shocked. Well, níl méid dul ar nós na Gaoithe ach bíal gan níos tapúla Beiger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 7. 1, 2. So tá mí fós ag éirí iver a cethair ar an líne seo agus feicim iver a cethair sa bhosca seo. So chuir mé iver a cethair an seo agus bé iver a dó ag dul hús an seo mar tá iver a dó fós ar iarú sa líne sin. An dara líne, second line. Agus san tríú líne tá iver a dó ar iarú freisin. So one dó agus tá iver a trí ag dul hús an sin. Yeah, other things that you can compare something that's black to is there's a mythical character in a lot of Irish mythology, the Puck or an Puca. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, iver a shock. Agus, there some people say chodú leis an buca, as black as the mythical Puck, who's a shapeshifter. And you can, rinne mé butún an sin, bhí iver a shocked ar an chalún sin Hannah already, or before, bhí iver a shocked. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shocked. So yeah, by iver a hocht a bhí ar bhí mé cainte faoi rudí eile. I was talking about something else. Agus ní raibh mé cuaireamach. I wasn't careful enough. If you want to say enough in Irish, you say galore. Ní raibh mé galore cuaireamach. I wasn't careful enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. So seans go bhfuil cuaig a dul an sin, nó an sin, agus seans go bhfuil iver a shocked ag dul an sin. So fanny mé nóméid. I'll wait a second. Fan Bhfeicimíd. That's not so much of a nathanna cainte, it's just more of a kind of a alliterative way people say, wait till we see. Fan Bhfeicimíd. So tá iver a sé ar iarú sa chalún ar sa bhosca sin agus fágan sé iver a 1, 2, 3. Initius a rís now and again, munavim cainte, if I'm not sure. Bhfeicimíd dro ella. I just look away from the puzzle for a minute. Agus nor féicim arás uaireanta sometimes feicim rud éigen 1 2 3 4 5 mar níl ach barna amháin fágtha sa líne seo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 agus ba é uair ní a bhí ar sa chailún sin freisin. Okay, so one, two, three, 4 5 bhór. As Gaeilge, in Irish we say bar le high, the top, and bun le high, the bottom. Primary school or grade school, or the first school that you go to, is usually called bun school. Trí Gaeilge. So foundational school. Bottom, the bottom rung. Agus there isn't an equivalent necessarily in educational terms of usage of bar, although I do recall having a textbook in one of my early classes in school which was called Bun Gabar, bottom to top, 1 2 3 4. And úsáidir an focal bar, we use that word. It's one word you can use for excellent. Har bar, over and above, nearly that means. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So nach bhfuil an imreoir seo har bar. Isn't that player brilliant? Over and above the rest of them. Har is over and bar is the top. Over and above the best. 1 2 3 ever 3 anseo ar an chlé 1 2 3 agus cad atá fágtha ever 7 arís. Bhí aspa ever 7 ar dús. At first there was a lack of 7s. 1 2 3 ach fuair mar na 7 we found the 7s. Rinne mé botún amháin mar bhí mé cainte faoin puca an puca dubh ach níor tú báiste é, it wasn't a disaster. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Har bar. Chríochnaí mé é Gamal. Got there slowly. Ar nós na gaotha? Hardly. But that's not really the point, isn't it?